special. Oh.
Here's some more.
Oh, here it is. Yes. What?
Do you want to help me do my quest? It's in a private code.
Yeah.
Okay. Join the code MN.
Wait, IN?
MNMN.
MNMN. NMNMN. Did you say NM or MN? Right, NM, so it's NM. NM. It is not drawing. This is proof that Group Attack has died. Why is there nobody in the...
It's because you're playing super casual. Can you help me with the quest?
This is super casual.
Can you help me
Let's
with
play
the
Infection
quest?
Men.
No, can you help me with the quest?
Super Infection.
Please?
Gotta go.
Code. For people who want to, this is the code. 765.
Oh, should have forgot to change my name.
765.
Right, excuse this. What's this?
Somebody tell me what they added. Hello?
Right, how did he miss? What's this? Who's left? Alright, it's only Cyan that's left. Right. My goal is wherever Cyan. Is that a speed coil?
É DJ, moleque bom. Ele tem experiência. Esculacha a concorrência. Vai. É DJ, moleque bom. Essa, vai. É DJ, moleque
Is this a gravity coil? Is this a speed coil? Is it, or just a... See.
Guys, my name is New,
Oh.
and if someone takes me out of play, I can't come back. My name is New, and I'm a new player. You want to teach me how to play? You want to teach me how to play? What? I want to... Lemon. Can you teach me how to play? My name is New. You want to teach me how to play, Lemon? I don't know how, but I got off a gorilla tag and I didn't even cook anything.
Wait, who wants to play minigames?
Me?
Wait.
That would be actually a
There's a
fun
code
game.
Freddy1 if you want to play
that?
minigames.
Mini games would actually be
There's
fun
code Freddy1.
right now. Mini games would actually be fun right now.
There's something that I want. Someone to do.
Propeller, like the special.
No, we're just gonna see me.
Someone wants to help.
Somebody give. Can you give me a special propeller?
Wait, how do you get those?
Do you want to play minigames?
If no
Yeah.
one wants to help me get out there.
Just join the code Freddy1.
Freddy one,
No, not that.
Yeah.
Someone help me get up there.
Freddy.
Who wants these crappy long arms?
Hi, man.
Hello.
Hey, man. Are you here for minigames?
Yeah, I'm here for the mini games.
My name's Super Affection.
Yeah, what did they get rid of affection? We have super
Like, where's your
affection.
friends?
See,
I don't like. Yo, bro, watch this. Yo, Blue, watch this.
wait, shoot, I forgot I was
I missed.
recording.
I went overshot. Well, okay, watch this. Come here. No, wait, stay where you are. Watch this. And watch this. Where's everyone? I'll join in a bed.
If I just add an 8. No. 6. 2, 2, 6. If I do 1, 1, 7. This is just boring. Being a part of the back. I think I saw a bow video on this. I couldn't. Tung 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 sahur.
Happy birthday.
Whose birthday? For whose birthday?
Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, this is a different map. Years old. You're 124 years old. Oh, I have an idea. Has rotating updated? Haven't seen any. Hello. Dinosaur teeth. Mortality. Dude, it's still this? It's still this? What even is this? To be exact. Like, why is it just a Just roll with it. Bernie, with the music in the background, it seems like I'm playing a horror game. Wait, but what's over here? Oh my god. 1 hour until it opens. Alright, that's the entrance, but how did I... Did somebody join? Alright, rotating did not update. That is... After Easter is April... No, yeah, for the month, like the month. The next holiday? Yeah, 4th of July. Yeah, 4th of July. Do you not hear? 4th of July. And it has fireworks. Not New Year's. That New Year's is in January. In 2027. Ooh, what's the attic of the oddness?